Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Shadows of Doubt on PC or laptop. In order to download and play Shadow of Doubt, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to install Steam. So open up a browser, type in steampower.com on the search box, and that's going to take you to the official page. Right on this page, you have to go ahead and press on install Steam and then select the device that you wish to install. When you do that, it's going to take you to the other field where you have to run the installation. And after installing, it's mandatory for you to create an account. When you're done creating your account, then you could go and log in and head over to the store section from the home page. While you're on the store and here on the search box, go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for, that is Shadow of Doubt. So when you locate Shadow of Doubt, then you have to go ahead and press the purchase button. So when you locate the particular game, then click on add to cart. When you've added the product to your cart, then go and enter in your payment source, all that. When you're done purchasing the game, you have to go and install and create your account. And as you're done with that process, then you go and play Shadow of Doubt on PC or laptop. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.